Great furniture deserves a brochure that highlights both style and functionality. Open Canva and search for a furniture brochure template. Choose a layout that features large image sections because furniture designs rely heavily on visuals. Once the template opens, upload high-quality furniture photos and replace the sample images. Next, update the title with your furniture collection or product name. Add a short introduction that describes the style, material, and purpose of the furniture piece. Whether it's modern, classic, or minimalist, make sure the message is clear. Now create dedicated sections for product features, dimensions, material,